I'm Dr. Jessica Santollo. I'm a neuroendocrinologist in the biology department at the University of Kentucky, where I've been for the last 4.5 years. My lab studies understanding how estradiol signals in the brain to control non-reproductive behaviors. Specifically, we focus on the controls of water and salt intake, which is really important for preventing dehydration, but also for regulation of proper blood pressure. So our main studies in our lab are looking at trying to dissect the neural circuits that estradiol regulates to modify this behavior in females. And we are also working on studies examining how dehydration affects cognition in both males and females, and how this is different between the two sexes, and how gonadal hormones might modify this sex difference. So what do I like best about the biology department at UK? That would have to be the wonderful people that I work with every day. I have fantastic colleagues who are studying just a variety of really interesting topics. And then we have the most amazing graduate students and postdocs. So I'm really looking forward to growing our group of students. So how often do I normally interact with my students? Well, in non-COVID times, I see my lab almost every day. This happens either formally through our weekly lab meeting and our weekly journal clubs, and then also informally by just seeing them every day in the lab. My office is inside of our lab, so it provides multiple opportunities to see and talk to everyone. And I have an open door policy, so anyone can drop in whenever they need to chat about something. And then what do we do for fun? Again, in non-COVID times, our lab goes to our weekly department happy hour. Twice a year, we go to Keeneland to watch the horse races. When the weather is nice, we'll have a lab barbecue, and then occasionally we'll go to dinner at our favorite Chinese restaurant, Panda Cuisine, here in town. We share lab space with Dr. Ashley Seifert's lab, so usually our lab activities are in conjunction with his lab, which is great because it means there are even more people to interact with and talk science and talk life with. So I look forward to meeting all of our potential new recruits during our recruitment season.